Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can bookmark messages in your conversations and chats on Slack really quickly and without any advanced skills whatsoever. So let us get started right away. Alright, so in the first step, head over to your Slack workspace, of course. Make sure that you're logged in with your account. And after that, simply pick the message you would like to bookmark. For example, you can pick a message sent in a channel here on the left-hand side, or from a direct conversation. So let me head over to that channel here for the sake of this tutorial, and let me bookmark that message here. So basically there are two different ways how you can bookmark messages here on Slack. The first option would be to pin a specific message to the top of your conversation or channel. To do that, simply hover your mouse over the given message, and here to the right you will see these three dots, more actions. So click on it and select into channel, or use the shortcut P on your keyboard. That is going to pin the given message here in your channel so that you can come back to it anytime. Another option would be, guys, to simply label one or more of your messages as later. To do that, again, hover your mouse over the given message, and after that click on these three dots here and simply select this option here at the top, save for later, or alternately use the shortcut A. Let me do that with that example message here. So if I click on save for later, it will be moved to that section here on the left panel, guys, later. So click on it to access it, and here you see all your bookmarked / saved for later messages. So simply hover your mouse over the given message, and you may, for example, mark it as complete, for instance, to remove it here from that saved for later list, or click on these three dots here again and click on remove from later to remove it from that list, or archive it, or open it in a new window, or alternately set a reminder. For example, if it is a very important message you would like to be reminded of, and so on and so forth, guys. So that's how it works in practice. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and we'll see you next time on our channel.